some love, showing all the housemates, that have been evicted. A big congratulations to Liema for winning Big Brother Season 6. Chaotic over.
We're gonna recognize Tandega's game. No, we're gonna recognize it. She played a game, that girl. Yes, we don't agree with the game or whatever the case is, but she played a game. And she's gonna be recognized for that. I'm not gonna shy away from recognizing Tandega's game. I won't. I would be lying to who I am. If I don't recognize Tandega, I would be a liar to the person that I am, because I'm an honest person. I'm very honest. Liema is big. And Tandega is a newcomer. And she managed to get to top 2. What clap hands for Tandega, Shem. Sorry. Clap hands for Tandega, Shem. Sorry. Sorry. Even if you say I'm jealous, that's fine. I'm clapping hands for Tandega. Guys, Tandega has her flaws. We all know. Yes, we know that. We know. Tandega has whatever. We all know. Yes. Ne? But we are not going to shy away from the fact that she was top 2 with Liema. How she has made it in life, guys. No. You can say whatever you want. She has made it in life. If it was Bravo and Liema top 2, I would understand. Okay, yes. If it was Melly and Liema, yes, both of them are returning. If it was, who else was returning? I'm not, we're not gonna. For me, okay, Dube didn't enter the house, so I can't compare him with Bravo and Melly. Bravo and Melly entered the house and stayed, kancane, yabo. So at least they got to be seen, yabo. But if it was them and Liema, it would. But it was a returnee and a newcomer. How Tandega worked, Tandega worked, guys. Tandega. You can say whatever you want. Tandega worked. Tandega worked hard. She worked. You can say whatever, guys. Tandega worked. Liema is big, guys. Liema is big. Liema knows that she is big also. She knows. That's why I kept saying, if you watch the episode that is going to come out now, I said it on the episode that is going to come out now that if Liema gets to top 2, there's no way Tandega is going to win. I said it.
Undidike finish uYolanda andingathi ndizawudikwa unyaka wonke ngoyi because udukhale awunazimbo unezimbo zikaTikolosh. Ewe ndiyamazi uTikolosh. Ngabe undibuza nonsense umaze lapha ndiyamazi akekho umuntu ongamazi uTikolosh. uTikolosh sasazi soba kwasesikoleni banezimbo kakhulu bafana nje noYolanda. Ude ukhala because kuwine umuntu ongamaziyo, umuntu ongazange wambona. You don't know this girl and this girl has a sticking attitude. Ewe kaloku indlela okhala ngayo. Because you could be sad that Tandega didn't win and you wanted her to win, but you need to be happy. Liema worked hard. Matter of fact, awubhadlanga. If you think Tandega was ebazoza, awubhadlanga. Imagine with that attitude, zonke housemates are having that attitude. You kwa sisters amezizinfanisa noThandeka. I'm nothing like that girl. Now I respect people. As much as I'm loud, I can listen. Ndimenda ukumamela. Mna ndiyakwazi uxola ungaxolisanga. Ndiyakwazi uthi let go ube ungekho willing. uThandeka doesn't back down. Noba kho reason yoba alwe. Uyena uyila type yeza type sihlala komaGauteng komaKapa xa sibuyele ezilalini sifike siziphekela sizithini anditye emizini ufika uzenza ngcono ngathi wena uyaleqwa ufuna uloywa ufuna udliswa ucareful akho umuntu bekhathalele yena ke ehousing njengoba seyifike sithi people are triangulating. Triangulation I don't like this. No one was triangulating, but when unala ngqondo yoba okay kudityenwe ngam wabona nje abantu behleli pha bonke even with their face or Ramona athi ububathanda, there are no even nice clips none. where you are just chilling with uRamona, where you are just having lunch with uRamona, when nihleka noRamona nibhantana. No, maybe nguye ongazange wakuphendula back. You've never had a one-on-one kanje. That's why she's your fave, not because nine understanding. Imagine if you housemates zonke bezinale attitude yakho. Pissed. Uyabona if awukahlali nomuntu nje othandeka. Pissed. Uyabona, let me give you a quick example. Kula clip uthandeka uboleka inwele zika Liema. Athi Liema no. Athi uthandeka yitsho kaloku ba uziboleka udidi uyashoutisa, I was going to put it here Liema because I don't want to put uthi Liema kaloku put a headband was nicely with ubhizi uyashoutisa, like she's just that loud person ready to attack, always feel like people are coming for her. Ingathi wena uyile mali le wonke umuntu uyifunayo and uzawuloywa uzawuthakathwa uyachukelwa uyahletywa uyathi no one obekuhoye kangakho Thandeka. Really uLiema noDidi bebanazo misunderstanding. For instance laa nto ye-suitcase uLiema engafuni ususa i-suitcase yakhe wabe uDidi engenandawo yopakisha, but still ikhange ide caba from day one yoqhosha. There are times apho uLiema besiqomba I surrender, I'm done fighting this girl. Ube busy unqenqeze iloba zozo stealing ipiece. If I feel like wena ubufuna uyo distract so that bangafocus egamini, ibe nguwe lo une spotlight udistract yonke into uyaphikisa sekwenziwa itask. No, I'm not disputing that. Ufuna uba loud nje uthethe ugxininise, you like commanding. You are asses. You can't live with people, let alone uhlambele esinkini. Ogqiba uyanyuba uyolanda uphela. Uhleka umuntu ohlambele esinkini. Isinga yoko uthi xa ibuzwa uthi ingxaki zetyabe zimdaka akho wenu apha. Ewe amasana ahlanjwe esinkini ngabazali babo emakwabo akho wenu apha. This is a sharing space. Uthatha ungafika wena eRes xa unohlala inoba wawunjani eRes uright pay Italy futhi Sake ndigugulishe iTalent ndibona uba benza njani pha. Ngathi kanti kwabona bahlambele echembeni nje nihlambele. Usitimishele embizeni akho kwakho. Akho wenu. You are not in any way related to ababantu. But uzostimisha ngembiza zami. Hayi sisuliqeleko. Uliqeleko nje. But anyways, ayikho bazozo ayosizwe leyo apha nguLiema umuntu okumeleyo. Wakuphendula warejoice naye atsho ba hey my enemies must be scattered. Was scattered nyani.
Hi Yolanda yimasisi wami. Whoa woka sis awusoze sixoxe abantu aba-understand i-theme nabantu ayifast suppose bawinile wena didn't understand i-theme kula season yakho. You did your shit wakudisqualify ubig brother. So sisakhonje soyixoxa naye wena into ephuma emlonyeni wakho irongo. What disqualify because of into ephuma emlonyeni wakho. So akhonje sizoyithetha nawe. You know nothing about this show. You know nothing about the show wena. Yeah, vasisi. So yekuLiema uthi ulilele bakuwine uLiema ulilelani wawulila wayi umoya omdaka hayi hey mukondi hayi siswami.
Yo, Liema's story just taught me something, or rather reminded me of something. Yesterday when the Big Brother housemates were celebrating or doing the viewing of the show and a winner announcement, how crazy is it that in life, people that you call your friends don't see you winning, or don't think rather that you deserve to win. They will rather pass it to your enemy, or they'll rather give it to somebody else, completely opposite, that they know nothing about, that doesn't like them, that showed them that they don't care about them, rather than support you to win, rather than to be happy for you. I observed quite a few people, Abo Ashe, who were Liema's friends in the house, Abo Yolanda, openly unable to hide that they were not happy, that their own friend won.
Yo. Yenate Yolanda Ashe India. Dube koki nempundu. Hayi nizawuthakatha. In fact lawyer. Unenzeni umntana? Sana we voted sizifenzi zakhe wawina. Kade samthanda thina. And we chose Kindness over rudeness. Kindness over rudeness. Silungu sikhandra thini. Yo, hayi nizothakatha. Koki nempundu. Hayi. Asheyi. Ndiya. Oh, inyoka. Ha. Yo. Ha. Yo. Why does oucha?
Hey, hayibo. Hey, seqombe ume sister. Hayibo. Usaxoxe ibeef yango-2024 na against uLiema engasaqumbe. Wathiwa Liema. Yo, wadana. Injani into yabantu na? Recima kuzawina uthandeka because of bane personality ezifanayo. Kanjani uYolanda na? Madoda engesiqumbe izolo engesiqumbe. Uzimoshele imini shame. Umona phansi. Thina ke sithi congrats kuLiliza. Ibi-obvious celebrity yethu izawina mos. Ibi-obvious. uLiliza bengeke angawini. Andiyazi ke ababe bezinhlama becimba ngawini uqondile.
Good evening, guys. So I'm here to tell uNate, uYolanda, uDube, uKoki, uMeli, uIlano, uAshe ukuthi balungise inhliziyo zabo zimdaka. If ever bakathakathi kungona bazothakatha and bazothakatha into serious. Inhliziyo zabo zimdaka mabambe bayozihlamba. I'm here to tell them that uNate ke yena uyafana noThandeka, I don't care. uKoki yena she thought ngempundu zakhe ezinkulu she will win. uDube Elista, he thought he's all that. uMeli, he thought he's bigger than uLiema. uYolanda, she's jealous. Ebefuna ibe nguye ubizwe popularity machine. Bonke uIlano i-facial expression yakhe andiyazi ukuthi bekwenzeka ntoni. So benisithi ngicela nibaxelele ukuthi balungise inhliziyo zabo zimdaka, zinida ijik, zinida uYesu inside.
Liema's boyfriend after Liema won. Okay, guys, don't mind the caption. Don't mind the caption. I'm just here to just speak my own opinionity. My own, don't know, guys. I'm literally sorry for saying opinionity because it's totally wrong. So, guys, I'm here to just let you guys know all about this. Yesterday, I was watching Yolanda Mugwena. Live yakhe ku YouTube. Ebe streamer izolo. Ecela abantu bangacela basubscribe. It's fine. Kule live yakhe yaka YouTube ubusy ke ukuba sithe guys mina nginento eyi1 ukuthi uThandeka is winning this money. Thandeka is winning this money. First of all, guys, uThandeka bengazukwazi uwina Yolanda la mali. Thandeka bengazi uwina because you can't expect someone to win money umuntu ongakwazi uthetha. Thandeka akakwazi uthetha nabanye abantu. Like Thandeka yena once she speaks with someone, he wants his own voice to be recognized by many people. Uzozenza no innocent, ufuna ibe nguye manje babona ba uThandeka ufikile sozwa ngoThandeka bazozwa. Asizwe nothing. And uThandeka ucabanga ukuthi in the Big Brother's house, I don't say you must not be yourself. Be yourself as much as you can. But don't forget ukuthi in South Africa we love relationships. We love people who fight for each other. And we also love people who support other people. We also love the people once mang mina ngisendlini ngibona omunye umuntu down elila. Let me be close to her. Let me support her. Because even the thing of uLiema nale chomi yakhe le bayigama le chomi kaLiema uneliswa. Liema was there was a week Liema was raising Neliswa's name to show ukuthi uyamthanda uNeliswa as ichomi yakhe. First of all, ubani uNeliswa uphumile ngenxa kabani kaChu. It's fine, we are not there anyways. But what I'm saying, guys, is that ukuthi Thandeka, the money was not gonna go to you yesterday. Ufane watsho wena wathi mina nguThandeka wakanxoko kodwa ngiyakutshela ke mina untando wakaXhalaba ukuthi the money was not gonna be yours anyways. Even noba ebebengekho oLiema imali bizawuthathwa nguQ because you were not gonna win that 2 million. You can't speak with people. Awukwazi ukukhuluma nabantu wena. One thing about you, and I don't know why ungazukwazi ukukhuluma nomunye umuntu. Speak with another person properly. When are you all about? Even uMeli, if uMeli bengekho naye this season, And you better be thankful, Thandeka, because if uLiam bengekho nomele bengazuba khona. Umele bengazuba khona this season. Because first of all, guys, I'm literally thankful to the Big Brother Mzansi company for bringing the old stars in the house to get the second chance. But for you guys, for the new housemates of Big Brother Mzansi, season 6, you guys did not give any vibe. That is why abantu bevotele uLiam, because you guys were all about that's funny drama. It's funny drama, it's funny chaos. We wanted to know you. We wanted to know you. Ukuthi umuntu onjani, ukhuluma njani, and how do you live your life? You guys were not all about that. Thandeka incede ukuthi ethini emane ekhuluma, mane ezitshela ukuthi mina nguthandeka kwabantu. And one thing about Thandeka that I literally love about her is that uThandeka, he doesn't go all around speak about anyone. He goes straight to you if you say something about her. And uzakutshela ukuthi, oh, unomlomo okhuluma, ukhulume nami. Since you have the balls to speak with others, you still have that balls. Speak with me. And that is what people literally loved about her. But, this season was not yours, Thandeka. And Big Brother, next year we don't want to see Thandeka in the house. Don't bring her. Big Brother must stop this, guys, for real now. This is the end. If you want to make Old Star, make Old Star. Don't return them back. Asbafuni. Othandeka bagqibile. Their journey have come to an end. We will see them in Big Brother Mzansi Old Star.
Guys, ningabi nenhliziyo imbi. Don't have a bitter heart. Shem, I know I am a Thandeka fan, guys, mara uLiam won, and congratulations to her and her friend and her fans. They voted, which means we didn't vote harder. So guys, congratulations to uLiam for winning Big Brother Mzansi. Nothing was reached. The votes were not reached. She won. She has more fan base than uThandeka. So guys, don't have a bitter heart and you can't sleep because someone won. Congratulate. She deserves it. She deserves it. Like I was saying with my twin, I was like, you know, if maybe on this Big Brother Mzansi, or maybe they call it Big Brother Titans, and then they bring Messi Eke, obviously she was gonna win and over uThandeka, because obviously she has high fan base than she's gonna win over uLiam, because she have high she has high fan base than uLiam. So guys, sometimes you have to learn to congratulate some people. Don't have a bitter heart and say no, she didn't deserve it, she didn't bring bazo swangami what at the Big Brother house. Guys, learn to congratulate other people when is their time. So congratulations to uLiam. It was not a mistake. Nothing was reached. They voted, and have peace with that. Imagine not sleeping because someone won 2 million. She did won because they voted, and she has a high fan base, and she's loved more than uThandeka, because Thandeka just came out from the blue and we loved her. We tried to vote for her. She did not win. So have a good heart and accept that uLiam won. Simple. Guys, simple. Don't have to have a bitter heart. She won. And congratulations to her. Now it's your time as Thandeka followers to make sure that she's always on game. You're posting about her. You are inviting brands maybe to work with her, or donating if you can. That's it, guys. Yo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Ayibo guys, boyolanda abatoloya because what? So uLiam owinile iBig Brother Mzansi season 6 bazozwa abantu abaningi bamjabulele ngendlela lesimanga, including Bode Don, Neliswa, King Wanda. Abaningi guys bantu bebamjabulele bebafisa ukuthi awine uLiam. Guess ngibani lokhombise kungajabula waze wakhala, iCamera yaze yabuka kuye waze wavudliwa amahloni wasukuma wahamba. Hayibo Yolanda, lokunqaka kuYolanda upretenda ngazuthi imngani waLiam, but she was so angry bekakhona ngisho nokutibambe ebantwini kokuthi ukwatile ukuthi kuwine Liema instead of Thandeka nabo Nate nabo bakwateni bo Ashe bakwateni kube bona bahlulekile okuwina iBig Brother wayebangabongela omnye umntwana ukuthi hey uwinile congratulations uzokwate uve buhlungu uzokhale ayiqhashem this is really embarrassing na Ashe bekatenda ngatholungile kuBig Brother kani hey usnake nje bambona kudzala ukuthi inyoka Ashe hlezi afuna kutenda good boy ngazuthi uthandza bonke abantu but kahle dzala inyoka lomfana but anyway it doesn't change ukuthi Liema uwinile and thina lesimthandzako siyaqhubeka sithi congratulations Mogel. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.